start with wisteria, as well as lavender, and then rose blue, and lastly yung violet. Okay, kay violet, ito yung darkest shade. Immediately, naging darker rin yung sa under eyes mo. A little bit better pa si rose blue. And also, medyo minamatch yung lip color mo, so okay pa si rose blue. But still, careful lang when you wear this kasi it can make you look older. So, only wear this in certain days. Mas better pa rin yung light shade. So, in between lavender and wisteria. Wisteria, mas balanced pa rin talaga yung warmth and brightness mo. Meanwhile, kay lavender, priority niya yung maging brighter yung skin mo. So, any of these two purple tones, okay siyang suotin. Better na yung wisteria at lavender than the rose blue or violet. So, yeah. Okay po ang purple string. Straight siya. And you can also see the two exact points dito na kapag nag-draw ka ng straight line, ayan. So, yeah. You're a combination of those two face shades.
Summer. Spring warm din ako eh. Pero ano,
But orange yan.
neutral yung ano rin na-recommend sa akin. The neutral. Pero ma-dark siya. Ah, ito yung mga ano. Is this yung like gloss? Ay, hindi rin.
So I just found out that I am cool summer. So this one is, ano nga yung cool summer? This one? Summer cool. Spring warm. Ah, pwede na to be.
If you want to